Hi, this is Ryan from the Checkfront support team. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up images in your notifications. So to do this, we're first going to want to go to Manage, Notifications, and then we'll select New Notification. You can add a title, and down below in the HTML field, we'll select this HTML button, and then enter an image tag. So this will go image, source, and this will direct between the parentheses of the image that we like. For this example, I've just grabbed an image off of Google and just added an alternate text. This will bring the image in at its full size. So next we can press the HTML button again to show the full size. If you're wanting to change the size of the image, you can just simply press the HTML button again and then add a style tag equals, and then set the pixel size that you would like. So we'll set height to 100 pixels and we'll set width to also 100 pixels. And we'll just go out of the HTML editor. You can see it's at a smaller size now. To take it further, you can also center it if you'd like, just by pressing the edit button and select center. We'll save that. There we go. So I hope you found this information helpful. Of course, if you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out at support@checkfront.com. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.